I found an Instagram page with 400K plus followers that posts music reels. But here's the crazy part. The singer isn't real. It's an AI singer. Even then, every video gets hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of views. They're pulling in roughly $10,000 to $20,000 a month just from posting short music clips. Sounds unreal? Check the captions. Every reel lists the song name and artist, which is a clear sign they're doing paid partnerships. So with this reach, they could easily be charging around $500 to $1,500 per reel. Today I'll break down the exact tools, the full workflow, and a step-by-step plan so you can build a page like this. Let's dive in. But first, hit follow and subscribe so you don't miss the full guide. All right, let's go. First thing, we need music. But in the beginning, no one's gonna give you their music to promote because you don't have followers yet. So in that case, to start building your page, we'll use AI-generated music. And for that, we'll be using Suno AI Music Generator. I'm sure a lot of you have already heard about it. It's a really popular tool right now. And just to be clear, this isn't a sponsored video. It's totally your choice if you want to use it or not. You'll find the link down below in the description. Once you sign up, you'll see a full library of AI music. Literally thousands of songs already created by users around the world. Now, just click on Create. Here, you'll need to type your music prompt. And if you already have a recorded audio, you can directly upload it here too. You can even upload your lyrics if you've written something. I've already generated some lyrics using ChatGPT, so I'll just paste them here. Next, under music style, I'll type something like pop, lo-fi, and emotional. That's the kind of vibe I'm going for. You can also test out some of the pre-made styles available here if you'd like. Once everything's ready, simply hit create, and that's it. Your song will be generated in about 1 to 2 minutes. All right, our 4 songs are done. Let's play each one and check them out.
You appeared in pixels on the screen one night. Did your heart? I can't undo binary heart. You appeared in pixels, real, but it feels so.
Wow, mind-blowing. After listening to all those tracks, you can see how easily Suno AI generated the music. It's honestly insane. I'll pick one of these tracks and download it. Okay, so we have our song ready. Now we need to turn that song into a music video. And for that, we'll use a second tool called Lemonslice, another fantastic AI tool. Link in the description. Go try it. Once you sign up, you'll see a very clean dashboard. From here, we're gonna create a new project. So click Select Image or Video. You'll get 2 choices. Either generate an image inside the tool or upload an image you already have. We'll generate the image right now. On the left, you'll notice a few settings. You can use the random prompt generator if you want, but I don't recommend it because short prompts like these usually can't create realistic images. All right, next, set the video format to vertical and choose from several video models. Pick any model you prefer. Test all the models, and whichever gives you the best result, you can stick with it. Next, we need a highly detailed prompt, and I already have one prepared, so I just pasted it. You can design your prompt the same way to get the best result. You can also take the help of ChatGPT to generate this prompt. Then hit enter. You can see the image has been generated and it looks great. The singer is really beautiful and the quality is excellent. If you don't like that singer, no problem. Restyle the image or generate a new one by tweaking the prompt. Then simply hit enter. Once you're happy, select the image and click Use this image. Next, go to Select Audio. You can generate music here with prompts, like we did in Suno AI, but we have already generated audio, so I'm going to upload that music here and press Enter. Step 3 is choosing the AI video model. I'm going to use the V2.7 model because it creates full-body talking avatars with background motion, which looks really advanced. Just note it consumes more credits. I'll set the resolution to 1080p. Set the number of videos to 2 so we can compare outputs and hit Generate Video. While those 2 start rendering, I'll also create another video with the first model so you can see the difference. Keep the generation modes on auto, set the number of videos to 1 for this test, and turn on private mode so nobody else can reuse your video. Then hit Generate Video and wait a minute. The AI will do the heavy lifting and produce your clips. So you can see all 3 videos have been generated successfully. Let's watch them one by one.
You appeared in pixels on my screen one night. A digital heartbeat glowing in the light. I know you're not real, but it feels so true. Every code and color pulls me close to you.
And wow, it's absolutely mind-blowing, guys. The lip sync is super accurate and the facial emotions and expressions are just perfect. All right, the second video looks quite similar, so let's jump straight to the third one. I'll just play it.
A heartbeat glowing in the light.
Okay, so as you can see, this one is more of a basic video. It's good, but not perfect for those ultra-realistic AI singer reels. That's why using the V2.7 model is definitely the better option here. Once you're happy with the result, simply download your video. Perfect. If you want, you can also save the generated image. Just click the 3 dots, then input image and save it. You can use these images as Instagram posts or stories to stay connected with your audience. It's a great way to build engagement. Now, if you want to make a new reel for a different song, just follow the same process again. Click on Select Image or Video, and you'll see all the images you've previously generated. Choose the one you want and create your video. But here's my tip. Try to use a different type of shot for each reel. You can easily restyle your image for that by modifying the prompt. For example, we've made a portrait shot, a full body shot, and in the same way, you can generate new ones with a stage background, outdoor scenes, indoor setups, or even crowd in background style shots. Then just generate your video again. And that's it. Everything here is super simple. And the best part is, you don't need to know any video editing at all to do this. One pro tip, download music which already in trend on Instagram and sync it with your AI singer so the avatar lip syncs perfectly. Upload that as a reel and trust me, your video will have a great chance to go viral. All right, that was a short but step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to support me. It would mean a lot. And follow me on Instagram for more tips.